In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reinstall Windows 10 on your Windows 10 device. Reinstalling your operating system can be an intimidating task, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through every step to make the process as smooth as possible. This tutorial is ideal if you're experiencing software issues that require a fresh installation, or if you're simply preparing your computer for a new user. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. This will open up the Windows settings page, which is your go-to hub for all system preferences. Once you have the settings window open, look for the option labeled Update and Security. Clicking on it will direct you to a new page where Windows manages its updates and provides security settings. Next, navigate to the Recovery tab from the list on the left-hand sidebar. The Recovery section is specifically designed for troubleshooting and resetting your PC. Here you'll find an option called Reset this PC, which is what we need to reinstall Windows. Simply click on the Get Started button under this section. At this point, Windows will prompt you to make a crucial decision. You'll need to choose whether you want to keep your personal files or remove everything from your device. If you'd like to start fresh and don't mind wiping all existing data, select Remove Everything. However, if you're inclined to retain your personal documents, photos and files, choose Keep My Files. Keep in mind though, even if you opt to keep your files, this process will still remove any apps and settings you may have installed or configured. Once you've made your selection, follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the reset. It's important to be patient. As the system resets and reinstalls Windows, your computer might restart several times. Follow any additional instructions that appear on the screen to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully completed the steps to reinstall Windows 10 on your device. This process is a great way to resolve equipment glitches, clear unnecessary software, and bring your PC back to its optimal working state. Whether you're looking to declutter your system or troubleshoot a persistent problem, reinstalling Windows can be a valuable solution. Remember, it's always good practice to back up your important files before initiating the reset, just to be safe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.